Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Tuscola, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring us will give you the following options for your long-distance move: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. A long-distance move 100 miles or further comes with plenty of stress. When you choose a trustworthy moving company, you don't have as much to worry about. We free you up to focus on other important things, such as starting a new job or making sure your family arrives safely. When you need to move locally, an Illinois moving company provides plenty of benefits. You will use up a lot of time and energy trying to do it all yourself. Just think about all the heavy furniture and boxes you'll have to pack up and load into a truck to move. It can be overwhelming without the right help. 3 Movers offers full local moving services, and we can get you to your new destination faster. Even if you want someone to pack and unpack for you, we can help. Our team handles even the largest moves in just one afternoon. If you're ready to use the top Tuscola moving company, call us today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Tuscola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.